Welcome to the AARDY.com YouTube channel for travel tips. I'm Jonathan Breeze, the CEO, and today's topic, travel health insurance. Do I really need it? Well, at home, most people have a pretty good level of health and home insurance, so they can live safe in the knowledge that should the worst happen, they're covered. But when you're on vacation, whether in the US or abroad, you need those same protections in place, and this is where travel health insurance comes in, trying to provide similar protections that you have at home when you're traveling. But do you need to take out a travel health insurance plan when you're going on vacation? Well, it depends. If you're traveling on a cruise, most, if not all, of the cruise lines insist that you have a travel health insurance coverage. But if you're flying off to have a week in Disneyland, it's unlikely you'll have to have a travel insurance plan. You can take the risk and pay your own way if something goes wrong. So, for example, consider medical emergency and evacuation. Now, let's say you're on a beach vacation and get ill, or perhaps you're skiing and have a bad fall and break something. The likelihood is that you'll need to be flown home, but organising a private jet with medical support or just getting off the mountain by helicopter can be massively expensive. We're looking potentially tens of thousands of dollars. One question we're often asked is whether your health and home insurance will help you if you get into a problem on vacation. Well, whilst health and home insurance policies may sometimes cover a few very basic benefits for travel, they often don't quite go far enough to be of any real value. Now, that probably comes as a surprise to many travellers, but just think how hard it can be to know whether health insurance policies will cover you for basic procedures at home, much less when you're away from home. Our advice, read your domestic health or home insurance policy carefully to find out whether the benefits and deductibles are acceptable whilst you're on vacation. In our experience, it is likely you will not be protected for events whilst on vacation. So back to the question, travel health insurance, do you really need it? Well, it depends on how much risk you like to take and also your finances. Now, if you have a really understanding bank manager who may advance you the sort of cash you might need if the worst happens, or if you have a credit card with an increased credit limit, fine. But isn't it better that the potentially massive costs of assisting in a medical emergency are paid by an insurance company? At least then your wallet won't be giving you any pain. So our advice, if you're heading off on vacation, is to buy a fully comprehensive travel health insurance plan so you can relax and enjoy your trip. And remember, in the US, insurance policies are filed, including the price, so you really can rest easy knowing that every price you see on a marketplace like Aardvark Compare is the exact same price to the cent that you'll get if you go directly to the travel insurer's own website. We just save you the time of having to run dozens of separate quotes, so you can concentrate on enjoying your vacation. Safe travels.